For this example, we've been asked to calculate the definite integral of x squared plus sine x between x equals 0 and x equals 1. So before we proceed, we need to remind ourselves what the integral of x to the n is. And that is x to the n plus 1 all over n plus 1. And we also need to remind ourselves what the integral of sine x is. The integral of sine x is cos x. So we can use these two results to calculate this definite integral. So we say the integral between 0 and 1 of x squared plus sine x with respect to x. We first of all perform the integral and then we sub in our limits afterwards. So the integral of x squared, using this result that we've just written down, is x cubed over 3. And the integral of sine x is cos x. So the next thing we need to do is substitute in our limit. So we first of all put in 1. So we'll get 1 cubed, which is 1, so that's 1 over 3, plus cos of 1. And then we take away when we put in the lower limit, so it's minus. So it's 0 cubed over 3, which is 0. And we have plus cos of 0. Now to work out what cos of 0 is, we can go back to our definition of cos x, which is a half e to the x plus e to the minus x. So clearly cos of 0 is a half e to the 0 plus e to the 0, which is 1. So therefore our definite integral becomes 1/3 plus cos of 1 minus 1, which gives us cos of 1 minus 2/3. Now we'll leave our answer in terms of cos because this will just give us some decimal number. So we'll say that the definite integral of x squared plus sine x between 0 and 1 is cos of 1 minus 2/3.